Losing power is never fun, but it can also seriously mess with your electronics, especially if you don't have a battery backup. Computers, external hard drives, home Wi-Fi networks, and more all feel the negative effects of an outage. So, it's important to create an action plan to keep your home or your business, or both, running during these possible future blackouts. One important part of your plan should be considering battery backups, also known as an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, which will automatically take over when the power drops or goes out entirely. But no one solution's perfect for everyone. To help you narrow those choices, we've compiled a list of the 5 best battery backups currently available. Number 1. CyberPower CP1500 Volt 3 Intelligent LCD UPS System. This mini tower UPS from CyberPower provides quite a bit of power, 900 watts, which can power various devices, such as desktop computers, workstations, networking devices, and home entertainment equipment. It has a multifunction LCD and includes line interactive technology, which uses an automatic voltage regulator to monitor and adjust for dips and spikes in power. Despite all of its muscle, it still runs quietly. The UPS comes with 12 outlets, 6 that have both battery backup and surge protection and 6 outlets that only have surge protection. It has an 8-hour recharge time and includes ports for your phones and network. But its output has a simulated sine wave waveform, which may be a problem with more sensitive computers and tech gear. Be sure to check the specs on your devices to make sure they're compatible with this UPS. The CyberPower CP1500 Volt 3 Intelligent LCD UPS also comes with the company's Power Panel personal editing software, which allows you to monitor the UPS unit remotely. Number 2. F-EcoFlow Delta 2. F-EcoFlow's 1024-watt Delta 2 portable power station doesn't rely on lithium-ion batteries. Instead, it comes equipped with LiFePO4 batteries that won't degrade as quickly with everyday use. It's powerful enough to run appliances, so it can really come in handy on an RV or as an emergency backup during storms or other power outages. We went hands-on with the Delta 2 and found it easy to set up and use. The unit charged up in about 80 minutes through an AC outlet but could be topped up with solar panels for a truly off-the-grid experience. The Delta 2 has plenty of connectivity to go with that power. You'll find 3 AC outlets with grounds and 3 without. It offers 4 USB-A ports and 2 fast-charging USB-C ports for slinging juice into your mobile devices or tablets. The results of our testing found that the Delta 2 wasn't designed for any particular purpose, camping, emergency preparedness, etc., but would work well in all of those scenarios. Number 3. APC UPS, 1500 VA sine wave UPS. This model makes for an excellent UPS for your home network because it gives output power in a pure sine wave form. That means sensitive equipment, like networking or high-end audio gear, will work fine since output power is clean. It also offers additional connections and ports, 1 gigabit in coax protection and includes 2 USB ports, 1 Type-A and 1 Type-C. So, it's easy to have a battery backup for the most important components in your network. It also will regulate your system when it's not functioning in battery backup since it is line interactive topology, with automatic voltage regulator. Another nice touch is that they've angled the LCD, so viewing the UPS status is easier. And it comes with a 6-foot power cord and power management software for Windows PC. macOS uses native energy saver in settings. Number 4. APC 2200 VA Smart UPS with Smart Connect. One feature that stands out on the APC 2200 VA is that it has APC's Smart Connect technology, which allows your UPS to be cloud-enabled. According to the company, you can log in via a secure portal, via any internet-connected device. Then you can view the status of your UPS, receive notifications, get firmware updates, and more. So for those who might not have time to monitor or the money to have any IT department monitor the UPS, this can be quite valuable. It also has a lot of power for hooking up many devices, including your network, into the system. You get 10 outlets, 8 of which are both power-backed and surge-protected. The UPS also has both line interactive topology, via an automatic voltage regulator. It uses a clean pure sine wave form for output, which makes it compatible with most any computer or audio gear. Number 5. Triplite AVR 750 U750 VA UPS. If you're on a tight budget, you might be tempted to skimp on buying a UPS for your gear. However, that would leave you vulnerable to power outages. Instead of foregoing a UPS, consider a budget-priced model, like this one from Trip. The Triplite AVR750U750Vi UPS can generate 450 watts and has 12 outlets, 6 battery and surge protected and 6 surge protected only. It also provides you with line interactive topology, with automatic voltage regulator, for regulating dips and spikes in your active system without needing to switch to battery power. According to the specs, the line interactive battery backup can correct for brownouts and over voltages from 83 volts to 147 volts. At this price, though, it should be a surprise that it uses a simulated sine waveform, in backup mode, and may not perform adequately with sensitive gear. However, it does include a USB port, has TEL/DSL protection, and it can mount to the wall.